back to my channel. My name is CHERYL. If you're new to this, I am just starting out my YouTube channel creating all the inspired makeup tutorial. As you can see from the title, I am recreating this 90s supermodel look. I am obsessed with this look once again. As you all know, I am so into 80s and 90s makeup. I was so excited to recreate this look. It's definitely not the kind of usual makeup that I do, so it's definitely a little bit of challenge for me to kind of recreate this makeup, but the final look, I am loving it, especially with the hairstyles and everything. I feel very vintage and 90s baby. So if you guys want to see how I recreate this makeup look, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button and hit that bell notifications for more inspired makeup tutorial like this one. So without further ado, let's get started. After my skin prep, I'm going to go ahead with my foundations. So as usual, I am using my Dior Backstage foundations. I am mixing just a little bit today with my Maqpro base strobe. My memories of 90s supermodel makeup is that they usually have like a very strong face structure, so the contour to me it's really important to recreate that kind of look. So I'm using the cream contour from Fenty Beauty, and then I'll start to blend in. With the contour, I will draw a line here to make it more slim, using just a little bit of leftover to go up here, kind of like connect it to the bottom. So for the nails, I'm going in with a smaller brush just to draw the line where I need to contour. Then I'll be blending it out with my foundation brush. Bring it into your upper eyebrow to connect them together. This will make your makeup look more complete. The good thing about cream contour is that it doesn't create harsh line. You can easily blend it with a brush, which makes it a lot easier for you to build up your contour. As long as you keep blending it, the color will create a very natural shade. Like back in the 90s, the eyebrows are more in a higher arch instead of a flat straight eyebrow. So today I am gonna challenge myself to do such an eyebrow. First, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. This is the color medium brown. I'm going in with my concealer to shape my eyebrow to create that higher arch. I'm going in with my brush just to kind of create a little bit few stroke. To set the eyebrow, I am going to use my setting spray. And I'm just gonna spray a few bits and I will go into my eyebrow. So the eyebrow is done. You can see that this is so much difference from my original eyebrow. I'm gonna go ahead with my eye makeup for today, and it is the highlight of the 90s supermodel makeup. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how I recreate this look. So first, I'm gonna be using Nars. This is a high pigment Longwear eyeliner, and the color that I'm using is Mulholland Drive. I'll link down below for you guys. First, I'm gonna tight lining my lash line. For like a 90s supermodel makeup, they often does a little bit of that cat eye at the end of it. So now we're just gonna go ahead with my concealer. Just gonna do the prepping of my eyes before I move on to the next one. I'm gonna go back to this color and I'm gonna draw the crease line because I have a hooded eye, so I draw a little bit above of my original crease line just to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and you can see the makeup. I'm using a flat brush to slowly build it in and blend in. I am going to this dark brown color. I'm just gonna tap and then I'm gonna build up to give it a little bit more color. Once we left a tiny bit of makeup, we're gonna go all the way to the upper eyebrow and the nose area. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush to start blending in. And then I'm gonna go ahead with a Q-tip just to sort of like clean up the front to create the cut crease. And with this color again, just to add in a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead with my Nars Radiant Concealer. I am using this concealer and then tap it the inner corner here, and then I'll just go all the way to where I do my cut crease. Going back to this, the arch of my eyebrow here, going in with this lighter brown. I'm just gonna tap in and then do like a swiping motion just to kind of blend in the whole eyes. Kind of mixing this two color, go over my lower lash line, and I'm linking all the way to the front. Now I'm gonna go move on to put on my mascara, and I'll come back to you guys in a short while. Alright, the mascara is done. I am gonna go clean up my under eye using my Nars Radiant Concealer. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead to set with my HD powder. For the blushes, I am gonna be using my Zoeva palette. I am mixing, as per usual, these two beautiful colors. So for the lip, I'm gonna use Giorgio Armani Red Lip just to line the outer line of my lip. I'm gonna be using a brush. Once again, I'm going in with my concealer. I saw this on the Sephora and I thought it would be fun to just gonna try it out because the packaging, it's so cute. This is called Brunch Date and the color is nude. So I'm just gonna use this in the middle of my lip. So now we're gonna go with this brown just to kind of go over to the outer line of the lip. Using the concealer just to clean up. And of course, last but not least, to create that kind of 90s supermodel look, I am just gonna go ahead to make a mole in my upper lip to kind of give that sexy, sultry, 90s supermodel look. So, makeup aside, I'm gonna go set up my hair to give you the final look of the 90s Supermodel. So I'll come back to you girls in a short while. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the 90s Supermodel makeup look with the hair. In my memories for the 90s Supermodel, they always have like long curvy hairs, super brown and strong structured face, and that is the look that I wanted to recreate for you girls. And so this is the final look. I am loving this look. I am feeling the vibe, the vintage vibe. I'm really feeling myself. I feel so great, even though it's not something I'm gonna put it on every single day. If you guys enjoy this recreate of the supermodel look, please smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell notifications so that you get notified when I upload any new inspired makeup tutorial. And make sure to follow my Instagram, it's over here. I do post on a daily basis, and I would love to connect with you girls through my social media platform. Let's talk about makeup, let's talk about skincare, let's talk about life. So yeah, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.